Hello, and thank you for representing Lamplighter Ministries at this conference. This video is going to show you how to use the credit card machine that you'll use to take payments from your customers at the booth. Now, you're only going to use this to do credits, even though we are allowing cash and check transactions. You won't use this machine for that, and we will not use this machine for debit also. It's only going to be credit transactions. Once you get your sum total of your customer's purchase, make sure to add the state or county tax to that, and then we'll enter the total into this machine here. So first off, press 1 to start a transaction. And again, we are only using credits. Press the green button. And here it's going to ask for the sale amount. For the sake of this example, we will put a transaction of a penny. Once you have your total there, go ahead and press the green button. And here you can swipe if they have a chip. Go ahead and use the chip reader, or if they have Apple Pay or Android Pay, they can use their phones to transact this purchase as well. Now the credit card machine is connecting to the server, and it is transacting the total. Once it starts beeping, you can remove the card. Now, when the receipt prints, it's going to ask if you want a customer copy. Here you want to rip this out as soon as you can, because it'll print the customer copy automatically by default. And now we have 2 receipts, one for them to sign with their signature, and make sure you also capture their phone number somewhere on the back. If something goes wrong with the transaction, we want to be able to contact them. When they give you your copy signed with their phone number, you can give them the customer copy. Now, you might be at a conference that does not have access to any cellular data, and so the credit card machine won't be able to connect with our servers and transact the purchases. And that's okay. There is a feature set up in the machine called store and forward mode. And essentially what happens, without getting too technical, is that it takes note of the transactions, and then when you batch out all of the transactions that same night, it'll then connect to the internet and connect with the bank and make those all those transactions valid. So in order to put your credit card machine in store and forward mode, we are going to hit the pound symbol. And here there is a list of different menu options. Go ahead and press the down arrow to scroll down to number 4, store and forward mode. Press the green button. And here we are going to press the green button to enable store and forward mode. And scroll down to number 4 and press the green button on always EMV with MSR. And now store and forward mode is activated. So hit the red button and do a transaction as you would normally, as if the credit card machine was connected to the internet. Press number 1. Press green button for credit. Put in the amounts. Here we're going to do a penny again. And here, with store and forward mode, it actually will not allow you to do to read chips. So we are going to swipe our card. Again, it's going to want to do a customer copy, so get the receipt before it prints. And same thing, have the customer sign the receipts and put their phone number somewhere on the receipts, and then give them their copy. One thing that you should be aware of is the battery life on these machines. In order to charge the credit card terminal, you're going to use its base that's plugged in from here to the outlets. And all you have to do is put the machine on the base, and now it is charging. Make sure to leave the credit card terminal charged all night long, and if possible during the conference. A lot of conferences will not give you access to an outlet, which is okay. The batteries should last a long time. So at the end of the day, make sure to get your credit card terminal and batch process all of the transactions that have happened throughout the conference. This will finalize the funds and connect the credit card transactions with the bank and authorize them. Click the green button to go to the main menu, and we want to go to the settlement, so you can click the down button and the green button, or you can click the number 4 to go straight to settlements. It's going to ask close batch and deposit funds. Yes, that's this first black button on the left here. Click that. Stored transactions must be authorized. Proceed. Yes, we're going to click the same button. It's going to connect, which means that you have to be in an area that receives cell service. Make sure that your receipt says settlement successful. After it's finished batching, it will print a receipt that will be a lot longer than what you see here on the video. That will show you every single transaction that has happened.